Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use AI stickers on Facebook Story. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. From the home screen, tap on Create Story. From your gallery, choose a photo which you want to post with the AI sticker. A list of options will appear in the right. Tap on Stickers. Here you will see the new one, AI Stickers. Tap on it. Now type in the details of the sticker that you wish to create. Then tap on the arrow button. And you will see, Facebook has provided you with different stickers based on your description. Tap on the sticker you want to use. You can resize the sticker and place it anywhere on the screen by dragging. You can add more than one sticker if you want. And when you are all done, you can share your story. Your story has been updated. Check this out. So in this way, you can use AI stickers on Facebook Story. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.